Hi, I hope that you're having an amazing time. It's summer in Europe and it's the best time to visit Italy. If you don't have too much time and want to use a long weekend only, go at least to center west of the country, so I went to Livorno region. This region is not so famous as Naples or Sicily, but it still offers one of the cleanest beaches and without huge crowds. I started from Cecina beach and then took a drive to Livorno, parallel to the sea on the coastal road, with amazing views of blue water, and then drove to Piombino for the best sunset. It is famous for amazing views of sunset. There's also the famous big bench to enjoy the view of island Isola d'Elba. Let's start from the Cecina beach with the colorful water of the sea and many different types of trees which are not very common in Europe. This beach has some special rankings due to its cleanliness and services. It has a lot of restaurants with views. You can enjoy your lunch or coffee here with great views. After this walk, it's time for the scenic drive. First to Livorno and then to Piombino as planned for observing the best sunset. The route to Livorno is full of amazing scenery like a painting. Don't forget to select the route parallel to the sea to get best views. I'll add more details and description of the video about these places. But if you have any questions, please ask in comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos from around the world. Maybe from your city next time. But on the way to the parking, I found these trees, which offer really good shade and block the sun. But I've never seen them before in Central or Western Europe. Piombino is a different city with a port. The city is built on mountain and gives the view of the sea from the top of the mountain. The famous big bench is really big, and adults look as small as babies while sitting on it. They have placed empty beer drums to climb and sit on the bench. From now on, enjoy the beautiful views of the nature.